My GE induction cooktop made a loud popping noise last night while I was wiping with a damp rag. Now the two burners on the right side of cooktop are not working.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It was installed in April of 2017. Please give a minute to look at model hash.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible. Depends on what needs to be done. Model is PHP 960 SM.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Don't know. Did someone get my question?
Hello, I'm Ray and would be happy to help you. Have you tried turning the breaker off to it for a few minutes then trying it?
No. I can do that, but if you review my question, I said that only 2 of the burners are not responding. The others seem to work okay. Wouldn't they all be off? Plus there is power to the cooktop. Even the burners that don't work respond to being turned on. They just shut off because they don't seem to recognize a pan being placed on the burner.
Sometimes turning the power off then back on it resets the computer board. The computer board is what's causing those 2 burners not to work. If that doesn't work, then the computer board needs to be replaced. Did you purchase an extended warranty on it? Because it's very costly and hard to replace.
No, I did not. Big mistake, I'm sure. I will try the breaker first and will let you know.
Turn it off for just a few minutes.
Just did. I'll wait a bit. Thanks. Turn the breaker back on. Same results. The 2 right burners shut off after a few seconds as if there is no pan on them, but the other 3 work fine.
Damn, it's the board. That part is about $500.
I suspected that would be the part price. But I live in an area where are few appliance repairmen. Is this something I can do myself, and where do I get a part? Should I go to the retailer where I purchased?
It's very hard to replace even for me. Honestly, I would let GE come out or any company that's qualified. I work on that model often. There is so many wires and other parts to remove just to get to it.
Okay. Guess I will start with the retailer. Quite sure there are no GE repair people in this area. Thanks for your help.
This is what it looks like under that glass. There is several computer board under there.
Is there a way to know which one needs to be replaced? Asking because if a repair person has to travel several hundred miles to do this, I would want them to have the correct part.
4 on diagram Gen BRD LFT parts hash, WB27 by 10,998 $470.44 in stock.
In stock where?
But I'm not certain if it's that one. Without testing it, it could be this one. 5 on diagram cooktop induction power supply board, center parts hash, WB27 by 11,001 $432.95 in stock. SearsPartsDirect.com.
Okay. Thanks.
This one comes with everything for the right side. 1 on diagram cooktop induction module parts hash, WB27 by $11,879.13 in stock. SearsPartsDirect.com.
Okay. Lots of help. Will pursue repair somehow. It's only 2 years old, so worth fixing.
Please let me know how it works out. Thanks and good luck to you.
I gave you 5 stars. Thanks for your help.
Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.